Hi, my name is Cristina Strunk, and I'm here to talk with you about curriculum for Part 5 of our School Leader Distance Learning Checklist series. During the first few weeks of school, you've probably already been thinking about your communication plan, about how you're going to deeply engage students, and about the routines and procedures for both staff and students on engaging with technology. Today, I want to zoom your attention in on something that, as a former instructional coach and curriculum reviewer, is near and dear to my heart. The first consideration for curriculum in the new distance learning environment is starting with a broad landscape view. Get a clear sense of what materials are already out there that teachers are using, both online and offline, so that you can get a sense of what opportunities and gaps there are. Think about where there's alignment or maybe misalignment between the materials that you're currently using and your vision for high-quality distance learning. This might inform your next steps. The second consideration is to prioritize and align. Make sure you're clearly defining and then communicating common expectations for things like lesson plans and pacing. Think about where are there opportunities for flexibility and autonomy versus the areas where you need to have close alignment across teams. These constraints might feel new for some teams who are used to a little bit more flexibility and autonomy, but by having clear conversations and expectations about these alignment areas, you're going to ease the experience of distance learning for students, for staff, and for families as they navigate these new spaces. The third consideration that I'd like to share with you today is your plan for support. Think about what existing structures you already have as part of your school community, where you can gather data on what's working and what's not working. Think about what trends are coming up, how you can reflect on those trends and plan forward. These could be areas like PLCs or grade level meetings, but make sure that you have opportunities for teams to give feedback on what's working from the teacher perspective, student perspective, and family perspective as you're engaging with curriculum in the distance learning environment. Join us next time to hear from Beth as she talks through the teacher checklist for distance learning. For all of the checklists and more information, you can check out this link.